Back at it again. No box topper, even though there are no box toppers anyway. And I'm 0 forever on box bottomers. Alright. This should go more smooth than the last two. Alright. Come on, baby. Eric Young. Bronze Rich Swann. That's the hit. Liv Morgan. James L's penis. And the hit. Roman Reigns. 27 of 99. Auto relic. Not off to a bad start, even though I'm not a huge Roman fan. That's a good hit. Number 2. You want to open them so fast because you're so excited, but then it's over so quickly and you're depressed. Sweet Charlotte, upside down. Mick Foley. Rich Swann again. Bobby Roode. And the hit. Slow reveal of a green. Wow. Alright. One Roman was kind of enough, but this is a green Roman. 13 of 25. And another example of that sweet, sweet Topps collation. Unbelievable. Hey, it could be a lot worse, though. It could have been 2 friggin' like Kalistos. Here comes the third Roman. Sawyer Fulton. Xavier Kill Yourself Woods. Stone Cold Steve Austin. A silver Sheamus. 22 of 50. And the hit. Asuka. 104 of 199. Not bad. I have one already, but that's not bad. Still have 2 shirt relics left. I like getting those out of the way first. Come on, Taker. Rowdy. Ooh, there's a green. Big E. Douche Nozzle. A green, A double. Is that 1? Yeah, 1 of 25. And the hit. Well, if you're going to get a shirt relic, that's not a bad one to get. 126 of 199. Becky Lynch. Undertaker and Sting. Rusev. Samoa Joe. Alicia Fox. And the hit is Carl Anderson. 179 of 199. Johnny Gargano. Bailey. Shinsuke Nakamura, I think that's how you say it. A bronze Liv Morgan. And the hit. Randall Keith Orton, 26 of 50. Nice. I will take it. It's a clean auto. Only 4 packs left. This is sad. Another Randy. No Way Josie. Sasha Banks. Goldberg. And the hit. Wow, Brie Bella. 2-color. 91, 97 of 99. Shirt relics. So that's both. Well, there's no set number of shirt relics, so or auto relics. Alright, I can't open this pack, so I'll discard it as a goof. I like to throw in a little Jake and Amir here and there. Piggy James. Oh, got a message on Facebook, I guess. Ruining the camera. Get the fuck out of here. Sheamus. Stone Cold. Wow. I'm retarded. The Rock and Shawn Michaels. Guess I saw the bald head and just assumed. Oh, this is a 2-hit pack. One's a shirt relic of Luke Harper. And what do we got here? Who's that? I have no idea. Is that Edge? Edge. 66 of 99. It's a pretty good pack. Oh, second to last pack. Brett the Hitman Clark. Bobby Overrated Rude. Ted DiBiase. Sammy Wow Wow. And the hit. Oh boy! There you go. That is the hit of the break. Wow. I'm dumb. 6 of 10. 2-colored Becky Lynch shirt relic auto. There you go. Very nice. How much? Oh, sorry, not for sale. That is fucking awesome. Oh, that's nice. That would have been a nice way to end it. Although this pack's going to have a Taker. Watch. A Taker base card. Bork Laser and Stone Cold Steve Austin. Kane. Luke Gallows. Carmella. And the last hit. I don't even want to... I'm going to do a really, really slow reveal because I don't want it to end. It's a base, so fuck. It's not Taker. Is that Dean? God, I know Dean by the top of his fucking head. 122 of 199. Dean fucking Ambrose.